Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put a photo on an Android contact. We start by entering the Calls application and then the Contacts section. Next, we click on the image icon of the contact to edit. After that, we click on the Edit option, and after that, on the upper camera icon or similar. Now we select the image we want and adjust it to, then apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, we apply the necessary changes with the check icon, and we will have our contact with a personalized photo. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.